Hello my friends, welcome to the Audio Knowledge channel. If you like the content you can subscribe and share. 50 Great Myths of Popular Psychology, authored by Scott O. Lilienfeld, Stephen J. Lynn, John Ruskio, and Barry L. Beierstein, was published in 2009. The book aims to debunk common myths and misconceptions prevalent in popular psychology, the branch of psychology that has infiltrated everyday thinking and culture. These myths often arise from media representations, personal anecdotes, or oversimplifications of complex psychological phenomena. The authors provide a science-based perspective, urging readers to adopt a more critical approach when considering psychological claims. Summary. 1. Introduction to Popular Psychology Myths. The book begins by exploring why myths in popular psychology are so widespread. These myths often stem from a lack of understanding of scientific principles and are perpetuated by various sources, including media, self-help books, and movies. For example, ideas like, "We only use 10% of our brains," or, "People are either left-brained or right-brained," are catchy and memorable but lack empirical support. The authors emphasize that the aim of the book is to encourage critical thinking and help readers distinguish between scientifically supported facts and widely held misconceptions. 2. Debunking the myths. Each of the 50 myths is thoroughly examined, offering insight into why these misconceptions persist and the scientific evidence that debunks them. For instance, the idea that memory works like a video camera is a common myth. In reality, research shows that memory is reconstructive rather than reproductive, meaning our memories are prone to errors and influenced by various factors. Another example is the belief that people can learn while asleep through subliminal messages, which is not supported by robust scientific evidence. The authors clarify that while sleep is crucial for memory consolidation, active learning requires conscious awareness and attention. 3. Impact of these myths. The book discusses how these myths can have serious consequences. Misconceptions about psychology can lead to ineffective or even harmful practices. For instance, the myth that children who are overpraised develop high self-esteem can result in parenting practices that may inadvertently foster narcissism rather than genuine self-worth. Similarly, myths about mental illness, like the belief that mental illness is a sign of personal weakness, can perpetuate stigma and discourage individuals from seeking necessary help or treatment. 4. Why myths persist. The authors explore the psychological and social reasons behind the persistence of these myths. Humans have a natural tendency to prefer simple explanations and are drawn to ideas that confirm their existing beliefs. Confirmation bias. Additionally, myths are often perpetuated by anecdotal evidence, which can be more compelling than abstract data or statistics. The book explains how these cognitive biases make people more susceptible to accepting myths without questioning their validity. 5. Encouraging critical thinking. A significant part of the book is dedicated to teaching readers how to think critically about psychological claims. It provides tools for evaluating the credibility of sources and the quality of evidence supporting various claims. The authors highlight the importance of scientific skepticism and the need to question not only popular psychology myths but also broader claims encountered in everyday life. They urge readers to look for peer-reviewed research and to understand the difference between correlation and causation. Conclusion. 50 Great Myths of Popular Psychology serves as a guide to understanding the complexities of human behavior and the importance of evidence-based psychology. By debunking these myths, the authors encourage a more nuanced and scientifically informed perspective on psychology. The book is a valuable resource for anyone interested in psychology, whether they are students, professionals, or simply curious readers. It challenges readers to question common assumptions and highlights the importance of skepticism and scientific literacy in evaluating psychological information.